If you're thinking about selling your home on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, whether it's Ocean Springs, Biloxi, Gulfport, Bay St. Louis, today's video could save you thousands of dollars. Many homeowners focus on what they love about their home. Unfortunately, buyers don't look at it that way. In fact, some features that homeowners have spent years enjoying can actually reduce buyer interest, extend days on the market, and lower offers. Today, we're discussing the 10 home features that can absolutely hurt your resale value on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and most importantly, how to fix them before your home goes on the market. Hello, I'm Chester Harvey with Chester Harvey Realtors, and I've been in the real estate business for 47 plus years here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. If you want to know someone who's had plenty of deals with the School of Hard Knocks, you're talking to him, because I've dealt with buyers, sellers, flippers, investors, people wanting to put their house on the market for rent, renters, you name it, I've had some experience with it. So if you want to keep on the cutting edge of what's going on here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, why not subscribe and touch that notification bell, and you'll be getting information with 2 new videos a week about life on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So let's get started with these 10 features killing your resale value. Number 1, deferred maintenance. Why does it hurt value? Nothing scares buyer faster than a home that appears neglected. Buyers immediately begin worrying, what else hasn't been maintained? Is there hidden damage? Will I inherit expensive repairs? Common Gulf Coast examples include peeling exterior paint, rotting trim, loose gutters, cracked caulking, missing shingles, broken screens, damaged soffits, and weathered decks. Because of our intense sun, humidity, salt air, tropical storms, and heavy rainfall, maintenance issues show up faster here than in many other parts of the country. Now, how do you fix it? Well, before listing your property, walk around the house with a trained eye. Repair all visible defects. Replace damaged boards. Pressure wash surfaces. Touch up paint. Repair screens and gutters. And replace missing roof shingles. A few $1,000s spent before listing can often generate many times that amount in higher offers. 2, dated kitchens. Why it hurts value. The kitchen remains the emotional center of the house. When buyers walk into the kitchen, they don't want to see oak cabinets from 1985, laminate countertops, fluorescent lighting, worn flooring, outdated appliances. They immediately start calculating renovation cost. Many buyers today want move-in ready homes. Now, how to fix it? We don't necessarily need a full remodel of the kitchen. Affordable updates include painting cabinets, replacing the hardware on the cabinets, installing modern lighting, adding quartz or granite countertops, updating faucets, installing stainless appliances. Sometimes a $5,000 kitchen refresh can create the appearance of a $25,000 remodel. Number 3, old roofs. Why it hurts value. On the Mississippi Gulf Coast, roofs are a major concern. Buyers know roofs endure hurricanes, tropical storms, salt air, wind-driven rain, and high humidity. An older roof immediately screams concerns about insurance eligibility, insurance premiums, future replacement costs, and storm vulnerability. Now, how you fix it? If the roof is near the end of its lifespan, replace it before listing. Obtain documentation. Keep warranty information and highlight wind mitigation improvements. A newer roof often becomes one of your strongest marketing features. Number 4, flooding and drainage issues. Now, why this hurts? Buyers often ask, does the yard flood? Does water stand after storms? Is the home in a flood zone? Have there been drainage problems? Standing water creates concerns about foundation issues, mold, mosquitoes, landscaping damage. How to fix it? Well, before listing, clean drainage ditches, improve grading, install French drains if needed, repair gutters, and extend downspouts away from the house. Document improvements for buyers. Number 5, overly personalized decor and why it hurts. You may love the bright purple walls, the sports-themed room, bold wallpaper, and unique murals, but buyers struggle to see themselves living there. The more personalized the home becomes, the smaller your buyer pool also becomes. How do you fix it? Well, you neutralize it. Your recommended colors are soft grays, warm whites, light beige tones, and neutral earth colors. Remember, you're selling a home, not your decorating style. Number 6, carpet everywhere. Many Gulf Coast buyers preferred hard surface flooring because of humidity, sand, pets, allergies, and easier cleaning. Old carpet raises concerns about odors, stains, moisture, and mildew. Now, how do you fix it? Consider replacing worn carpets with luxury vinyl planks, engineered hardwood, or tile. Luxury vinyl flooring is particularly popular along the Gulf Coast because it handles moisture exceptionally well. That's why so many of the new home builders are using the luxury vinyl tile in all their new homes and very limited on carpet. Number 7, neglected curb appeal. Buyers begin judging your property before they even enter the front door. Poor curb appeal includes overgrown yards and shrubs, weeds, dead plants, dirty signage, faded paint, broken shutters, and cluttered porches. So if buyers don't love the exterior, they often enter the home already looking for problems. And also, when you have your professional pictures made for your internet discovery, where buyers most likely will see your house for the first time and then do the drive-by, you'll want to be sure that your pictures pop from the pages with an exterior that screams, "This house has been perfectly maintained." How to fix it? Focus on fresh mulch, trimmed landscaping, pressure washing, new flowers, fresh paint on the front door, and clean walkways. You never get a second chance at a first impression. Number 8, odors. Why it hurts value. Odors are one of the biggest deal killers in real estate. Common offenders. Number 1 is pet odors, cigarette smoke, musty smells, mold and mildew odors, musky odors, cooking odors. On the Gulf Coast, moisture-related odors can become especially problematic. Buyers immediately associate smells with expensive repairs. So how to fix it? Address the source. Do not simply use air fresheners. Instead, professionally clean the carpets, deep clean the house, eliminate moisture sources, service the HVAC systems, and replace heavily damaged materials. A clean-smelling house feels newer and more valuable and inviting. Number 9, enclosed garages and lost storage. And why it hurts value. Many homeowners converted their garage into game rooms, workshops, bedrooms, and hobby rooms. Unfortunately, many buyers still want a garage, and I mean many buyers, or I should say most buyers. Storage is one of the most requested features in today's market. Now, how do you fix it? Well, if possible, restore the garage functionally. Remove excessive built-ins. Improve organization. Highlight attic storage. Create clean storage areas. The more usable storage you offer, the stronger your resale position becomes. And number 10, outdated bathrooms. Why it hurts value? Bathrooms rank just behind kitchens when buyers evaluate a home. Problem areas include old fixtures, worn countertops, dated lighting, pink or avocado tile, damaged grout, or old shower doors. Buyers often view bathroom renovations as expensive and inconvenient. So how do you fix this problem? Focus on affordable updates, like new mirrors. Get rid of the mirror that has the flaky reflection on the bottom of the mirrors. Modern lighting, updated fixtures, fresh paint, new hardware on the cabinet doors, regrout the tile, and frameless shower doors. Small improvements often produce major impact. And here's a bonus feature killing value. Clutter. Why it hurts value. Many homeowners don't realize clutter makes rooms feel smaller, darker, and less functional. Buyers need to see space, not possessions. How to fix it before listing. Remove excess furniture, clear countertops, organize closets, or rent a storage unit if necessary to store extra items that are cluttering your house. A spacious home almost always sells faster than a crowded one. If you're preparing your house to sell on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, remember this: the goal is not to create a dream house. The goal is to create a home that buyers want to purchase. Addressing these 10 items I just notated before listing will increase buyer interest, generate stronger offers, reduce time on the market, improve appraisal values, and maximize your final sales price. Many sellers focus on major renovations when they should just be focusing on the issues that create buyer hesitation. Sometimes the difference between a home that sits for months and a home that sells quickly comes down to maintenance, presentation, and attention to detail. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and touch that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos about buying, selling, putting your house on the market for rent, and living on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. If you're considering selling a house on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, why not shoot me a line, drop me an email, or better yet, arrange a Zoom call from the information I have here below. That way you and I can meet. I can understand what you are looking for, where you're looking for on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and I can tailor-make a plan for us to go and look at those houses which meet your criteria and your goals. Let Chester Harvey help make you a smooth move to the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Welcome home.